Hello. In this video, we will teach you how easy it is to use the Piso Wifi Vendo box created by Share It Link. Share It Link Piso Wifi Vendo box is a coin-operated vending machine that allows Wi-Fi devices like smartphones and laptop to access internet connection without the password, but only by inserting coins in the Wi-Fi Vendo box. Let's get started. First, open your mobile phone Wi-Fi connection. Select Share It Link Piso Wi-Fi and connect. Once you are connected, the web portal will pop up. This portal will be your control to gain access to the internet through the Wi-Fi Vendo box. If the web portal does not pop up automatically, open the web browser of your phone like Google Chrome, and type on the address bar www.pisowifi.shareitlink.com or 10.0.0.1 to open the web portal. On your web portal, tap the Insert Coin button to activate the Wi-Fi Vendo box. Once you hear the beep sound from your phone, you may now start inserting your coins in the Wi-Fi Vendo box. The Wi-Fi Vendo box accepts 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 peso coins, old and new. Each coin has its corresponding time frame to gain access to the internet. If you are done inserting coins, tap the Start Internet button. Congratulations! You are now connected to the internet and you can now enjoy unlimited browsing. Watch movies on YouTube. Open your Facebook account and other social media sites. Play your favorite mobile games. Start a video call, and many more. To check your remaining time, open your web browser and type 10.0.0.1 to open the web portal. So that's how easy it is to connect to Share It Link Wi-Fi Vendo box, a completely automated and self-service Wi-Fi Vendo machine. Thank you for watching.